Hi everyone, it's Clyde at Vibrant Soap, and I had some really great intentions for this soap, but sometimes it doesn't want to cooperate. For some reason, and I'm still analyzing this one, the soap batter started to thicken really fast, so my idea of being able to do a spin swirl was just kind of put to an end just like that. So I had to do some quick thinking on my feet and just smash the batter into the mold. And I think I rescued it, but it's not anything like what I intended, which is something we have to get used to too. Don't think that you're a failure just because these things happen. There are ways to kind of change it up a little bit so that at least you have usable soap. I'm not talking about those cases when the soap absolutely solidifies, what do we call it, like a rock in a bucket or something like that. But I did get it poured, I did get it in the mold, and I'm really pleased with how it turned out. So let me show you how I kind of rescued this soap, even though it didn't turn out like I wanted it to. Okay, so everything's finally at the right temperature for me, 73 degrees. And there's my oils, kaolin clay, some other goodies in there. Just blend that up first. I really like this blend of watermelon and a patchouli fragrance. They really smell good, surprisingly good together. Alright, so let's get the lye solution in there. And let's get the fragrance in there. Okay, everything's emulsified. Let me just pour the colors. So my main color is going to be this really light green. I may have enough to pour more for that, but let me make sure I have enough for these. Okay, so the rest of this will be this light green. Give that a good stir first. Ah, what a nice, delicate green that is. Okay, so let me get my other colors close to being ready to be blended. Let's start off with the green. Just a little bit of stirring before I blend it. This gives me a chance to take a look at what the micas did to the oils too. Okay, so let's get the other colors blended because they are starting to get a little thick. Okay. So let's pour this in 3 different locations. And I want to go for the most impact as far as contrast. Oh, it's really setting up. I don't know if I'll be able to do this. We'll give it a shot. I'm not going to be able to do what I wanted to do. So always ready to improvise. Well, I told you I was going to do a spin swirl, but there's no point in doing that now. So let's think about what I'm going to do as I glop this in there. It's not impossible, it's just not fluid to be able to do what I was going to do, so there's no need to really panic. At least I'm telling myself that. So right now I'm just making sure that the color is pretty much distributed over the top. Turn this. There's always something to like about how things go in randomly, and in this case I like that glop, so I'm thinking I can work with that. I have to really push. Maybe that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to, instead of spread, I'm going to mush. It did get a bit hard. I can still have fun mushing. It's very organic looking. I'll get some glitter in there. And the dividers. Some of these peaks are very sharp, so I'm going to flatten them. Otherwise they'll break. Well, it's very important not to blend until they mix, because the green and red will turn to mud. Okay, so I'm going to live with that. Not the look I was looking for, but it's kind of cool. So we'll bring you back for the unmolding. Okay, let's get this out of the mold. Stubborn little soap. And sometimes they misbehave for mysterious reasons, because I've never had this fragrance speed up like that, but you have to learn how to improvise. Okay, so the only thing is I'm going to have some soap that we'll probably just be using here, because it's so uneven. Some of them are very small, or I'll use them as some samples. Very organic. So like this one I wouldn't sell. Even had like a cavern in it. It smells really good though. very organic looking. The sides are like glass, very shiny. So this is what they look like under just morning light coming in through the window. So usually when I unmold my soaps, so they probably look a little brighter in person. I like that stripe right there. Thanks everyone for watching, and a lot of you have checked into my Instagram, so it's nice to see you in both places, and a lot of you have commented, so I really appreciate that too. I am still trying to answer every comment that I get, so I really love that. But also trying to get some stuff done. And let me say goodbye to you right now. Thanks for watching. And I've already got some ideas for my next soap, so we'll see you for that. All right, everyone take care. Bye now.